Welcome back to Campus Tech. In today's video, we're going to see how we can change the color of the icons. Like this is the white theme color and you can make it to the black theme, or you can make it to tinted or the color whatever you like. So just press and hold, it will enter you to the toggle mode. So just right left corner, go into the customize on the second option, and then it will give you this option. So look at this. This is the first one, is the light. So these are the light theme color icon. So when you click on the dark, you'll see this all icon turn, the background of the icon are turned into the black. So if you hit the automatic, so what happen when you go into the dark, it will turn into the black, or in the light it will turn into the white, so you can see, or vice versa. So there is a last option which is tinted. With the tint you can just change color according to your desire or whatever you like. So just look at this. This is now turning light blue. So this is actually kind of opacity. Look at this. So if you just turn into the red, let's move it here. So look at this. It is now turning pink. So that's how you can change this tinted color. So after this, just swipe down and it will change the color. Look at this. So if you want to change again, just press and hold, add it again, add it, customize, and just make it to the lighter or brighter. So that's how you can change the icon color background. So background color. If you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.